Guys, guess what today is? It's paint day.
I am all done blocking. I spent all last night blocking this car out. It's super smooth. I mean, just like you could even hear it, how smooth it is. Blocked it all out. Now, some people will ask me, oh, what sandpaper did you use? Usually for this type of work, I start with a 400 and then end with a 600. Sandpaper that I use for this one is the Orion USC sandpaper. This one is a 600, I believe. I also ended up getting some more supplies. I ended up getting a new spray bottle. The last one I bought, I dropped it and it broke the nozzle, so it wasn't even squirting out anymore. I also bought some wipes. Let's see what else I got. I got some thru primer for a future project that I'm going to be working on later on. Then I also got some spot primer, some U-Pulse spot primer. Basically just for like the little burn throughs that I got while sanding it. I do have some burn throughs that I need to take care of, so I got some of that. And I also got some I got a dirt pick from Evercoat. So I got this little dirt pick for picking out any dirt that you guys might get during the painting process. So this is I can't remember how much this was. Anyways, moving on. And then I got some Prep-All, which is impossible to find in my current state. It is basically discontinued. You cannot buy this in California anymore. I was able to find some at my local store, and they said this is the last can that they have. So I ended up buying it, and yeah. So we're gonna be using some Prep-All. I get started with wrapping the car in plastic. First I'm going to start some back masking and then throw a sheet of plastic over this. I found out recently though that I don't want to use the plastic from the front to the back because of the way that the fan is setting up. I actually have to wrap it from the back to the front. The last time I primered, when I turned on the fan, the plastic on the car ended up bubbling and got like a bunch of air on it. So I had to put some stuff on it to keep the plastic from inflating, basically. So this time around, I figured it out. So I have to get plastic from the back to the front. So that's what we're gonna do. Finally got the Honda Civic all taped up, masked up. She's ready to get shot with paint. And let me give you a rundown real quick and then we'll get started. Wet the floor with the 3M floor, I forget what it's called. Anyway, it makes the floor sticky. Already went ahead and wet it. The car's all taped up, ready to go. Oh, yeah, I thought that was a hole. Sorry. She's already taped up. She's masked up. She just needs to be cleaned up a little bit with some wax and grease remover. And we're gonna start shooting some paint and clear. We're gonna be using the Techno Pro Light right there, and then we're also going to be using my new DV1 clear coat gun that I recently got with a DV1 C2 Plus air cap, equipped with a 1.3. So let's go ahead and get started and start painting. Anyway guys, I don't have much time, so I'm gonna have to hurry up and get this thing done. So let's get started. finally the third and last coat. This is the results that I got. Let me show you guys what's up. Mine, I sprayed my clear with the DV1 clear coat gun. We're using the Wanda 2K Clear 8100 with the Uricam base coat. This is the results we got, boys. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Yes, it's got some dust in it. Check it out. Got a little bit of peel. Nothing I could really hate on it. The jams had a little bit of dust. She looks like, boys. I think she looks pretty killer. Had a hard time moving around. Not a lot of space. I was tripping over stuff. But I think the end results came out pretty killer. Guys, I hate to let you go this early, but my phone's about to die. I think I got like 5% left. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. The Civic is finally halfway painted. But this is a long process. I don't have a lot of room. I got a little small car garage, single car garage. But we got it done. Anyway, I'm gonna step out because the fumes are pretty strong in here. So I'm gonna step out for a bit and then unmask this thing and let it dry overnight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay spraying. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya.